Thursday, April 14th, 2:12 p.m. The K-24 finally arrived.
What up, my guy? I told him that we're your bitches.
Guys, the funny thing about all this is we had this thing delivered to work. So we had to get this thing out of there quick because we really didn't tell anyone we were doing this. So who better to call than Kevin? I mean, just look at him. More excited than both of us. Saturday, April 16th, 3:05 p.m. Alex stops by to check out the progress on the car.
Guys, they rehired me back on Powerboard Project.
And soon after that, the debate started.
Dude, but that's how people are. People that work on their cars, bro, they have projects all over the place.
You can't pass up a good deal.
Nah, you never.
He understands. Hey, he understands me. Junior does not understand me. You know what it is like to.
Because he's a privileged
No,
brown kid.
no.
He's a privileged brown kid, bro.
Back up real quick. You guys might scold me like these two are scolding me here, but let me fill you guys in. The reason Alex is saying he would never pass up a good deal, or Kevin is over there standing like a Karen saying I'm privileged, is because I was given a truck for free. I denied the truck because I would rather earn that truck. I just feel like when you go out and earn things, they mean more to you and you take care of them better.
My privilege.
Because your dad tried to give you a truck.
I don't want.
You told him.
Yeah,
no.
I don't want anything given to me.
Oh,
I'd rather.
Oh, dude, you do realize what you just said is exactly
Yes.
what every white girl out there says. I don't want anything given to me. I want to earn my way.
As your daddy pays for the college.
Seriously, bro. Seriously.
All right, fine. What do you
These
want?
are not real world problems.
All right,
that you have, bro.
All right, you want to give me the Beamer? I'll take that.
You start calling me daddy, you can have it. But no.
Hey, daddy. Daddy.
Hey, you just know me. I don't cut corners. We're not cutting corners with this car either, so.
I cut everything, dude.
And about an hour later, after being scolded about being told how privileged I was for not accepting a truck, Alex was actually able to see the car, get any updates, tips, things that we're working on, and see the motor before it got swapped.
That's it. I'll be right back. Let me check on my kid.
Oh shit, I gotta go check on mine. Alright, see you guys.
I gotta go check on my dog.
We'll see you guys. I'll probably see you guys in.
Yeah,
Next
guys, we're
year.
just having.
After the boys checked in on their kids and I checked in on my dog, we decided to head to the store to pick up some power tools and other things we were going to need to start this K-swap.
Anything in here is his.
But what are you talking about? He's Mexican. If it's drug related, it's you. Right? If it's violence and big dick related, it's me. What the fuck?
That is true. What the fuck you record?
Oh, he's recording that shit. Fuck. Our channel's getting fucking deleted.
For the first time ever, Kevin was right. Our channel had been deleted, it had been terminated, and everything we had worked for was gone. Just kidding. Friday, April 22nd, 6:49 p.m. The day was finally here. It was finally time to get this D15 out of this car, strip it completely down, and get it all set and ready for the new K-swap. It took about 2 days in total. We were able to get the motor out in less than a day. It took a day to do that, and then it took another day to get it all clean, get all the wiring and everything out. So 2 days in total to get this thing completely stripped, bare bone, nothing in the bay. Our initial thought was just to rebuild the engine, rebuild the head, and put it straight back into the car. But as always, things don't always go to plan. Now we were looking at a completely stripped engine bay, which didn't look too hard to paint, but we knew if we were going to paint it, it had to be now, because once we put everything back together, it'd be nearly impossible. And even though we didn't know how to paint, or have the tools, or have the spot, we said, to hell with it. If this is going to happen, it's going to happen now. And we decided to just go for it. At this point, we were in too deep. We knew if we pulled out, pause, we would regret it. So we went ahead, got the tools we needed, and went straight for it. Just the wet sanding and prepping, it took 3 days. We wanted to make sure we got it right, just because we knew if we prepped well for it, the paint job would be easier. So it took 3 days just to make sure every little area of this engine bay was wet sanded and smooth and ready for paint. After that, we got the tape out. We started taping everything off that didn't need to be painted. And you can't think, we painted this whole engine bay, we weren't going to get the subframe out. We took the subframe out, wet tinted that thing too, and also got that painted. Everything was ready to go. It was now time to go get the paint. So we did just that, but there's a slight problem.
So this paint, when they made it, it looked exactly how we wanted to. Now that we opened it up, it looks nothing like how we, like this is even closer. We're gonna spray it to see.
The spread is all over the fucking place. Holy shit.
That is not it.
It was at this exact moment. You can see it in Kevin's face, the pain and frustration. We showed a guy a picture of the paint we wanted. He made it. It looked exactly like what we wanted. We came back home, a day passed. We went the next day to paint the car and the paint was completely different. We asked for this, but we got this.
Oh my God. What the hell?
Dude, it's gonna dry way darker. I'm telling you, it's gonna dry.
We'll let it sit to see, but dude, it is not looking.
I'm telling, I like that purple.
No, don't even, bro. Don't. It looks. That's not even close.
This is the part where Kevin was about to settle and just be like, let's just paint it that color. But I literally showed him this picture that you guys are seeing, and that's when he fucking lost it.
Let's go right now and take this shit back right now.
But they're not gonna take it back.
You're fucking taking it back. You can't mix up something we didn't want and then like, yo, you.
Yeah, but they'd be like, you purchased it while you were here.
Let's go, because we're doing this tonight. I'm not fucking around.
Guys, we've been waiting on things, and like the things we had is the paint. We have this ready to go, and we open it to this, and
I'm gonna take this in. We're gonna tell them this is not the color that we ordered.
all right.
You have to.
You can be the Karen, because like they're gonna be like,
This was $45.
yeah, they're gonna be like, yes,
Actually,
they're gonna be like,
something with that though.
no, fuck that paint color.
Then we're taking it.
Yeah,
back.
we'll take it back, but I'm not gonna be the Karen.
Let's go. Get your shit. Let's go. I'm like seriously not fucking waiting another.
And that's exactly what we ended up doing, waiting. We got stuck behind a student driver and the paint shop ended up closing.
I don't even want to talk about it. Come on, you've got to go. I mean, there's only so much you can do.
It's a student driver that's been going.
This is like, what are you doing? You're gonna die as soon as you get your license, bro. There's no way you give that person a license. No way you let that person drive.
Oh God, this looks terrible.
But the wait was finally over. We had gotten the right exact paint we wanted. We went ahead and sanded the area that we had painted, and it was now time to finally lay it down.
Yo! Do you have the other one? What else? Right
The other one, open it. This is what we're expecting. This is what you guys saw the other day. And you were about to say, "Oh, bro, it looks good enough." We just, yo,
What's right there?
that's the actual color. The guy,
See, dude, that's the thing.
Hey, this is you.
You go.
The guy she tells you not to work.
Don't skip on it. Don't skip on it. Yeah, this was $80 for this same size, so it's $30 more for that. But look at how much better that paint is. That paint's like legit.
The day that I never thought would get here was actually here.
Let's do this.
All right, code 2.
And you know it wouldn't be one of our videos without something bad happening.
What the fuck you could do? God damn it. Did you put that clear coat on? That's what makes a freaking paint job. That's what makes a shitty painter into a good painter.
All right, guys, we're adding the third coat now. Before we finish this, give it like 10 minutes and then add the clear coat. So we'll see how it turns out. But literally out of a garage, fucking have the biggest headache. And not to mention, Kevin, chill, bro. Not to mention, we're like, screw it, let's do it tonight. It's never gonna get done if it doesn't get done tonight. So, third and final one.
And after adding the third and final layer of paint, it was now time to finally see what it was going to look like. It was now time to hit it with the clear coat, and we made sure to hit it twice.
It's water.
No, there's water you've never seen right there.
Guys, we mixed the second clear coat. Now we're about to add it. We added the first one, and it's really popping out now. So we'll see if we can notice a major difference between the first and second clear coat. So let's hit it, and then we'll see how it looks. It's gonna be the final result. So
let's do this, baby.
finished the paint job today. It actually came out really good. Did 3 coats of the paint, 2 of the clear coat, and it actually came out really good. Listen, for 2 guys in a garage, solid.
It's decent.
And we'll end it there, guys. First of all, I just want to say thank you guys for always liking, subscribing, and sharing the videos, and just commenting and keeping up with them. It really means a lot to all of us. And I want to end it by saying this video would have never existed had we never actually pulled the trigger on this. Guys, when I tell you we didn't have the tools or we didn't know how to paint, we really didn't. And sure, there's mistakes in the paint, but we wouldn't even have this paint job had we not actually done it. So moral of the story is, even when you don't know how to do something, it shouldn't hold you back from trying it, because you might just do it good the first time. All right, I can't end that on too serious of a note.
Come on! I'm not